boys and girls, these are the rules of the pirate ship. Please stay sitting down with your seatbelts on at all times. Do not take your seatbelt off until the ride is completely stopped and the gate is opened. No holding on to the side mesh. If you need to hold on, please hold on to the
You can
bar
hold on to the
in front of you.
mesh like that too.
Okay guys, are you ready?
Yes. This is that. Oh, you scream. You're not screaming? You're not screaming? Look at the camera. Wow.